In honor of St. Patrick's Day, what's your good luck charm?
So when I was on vacation this once, I bought some like sea glass shards. I would assume that would be my good luck charm.
Quiet!
Let him film! Restart.
Restart. In honor of St. Patrick's Day, what's a good luck charm?
My mama always said my red hair will get me anywhere. That's all I got to say about that.
Is it okay if we ask you guys a question? Oh, sorry. What's something that brings you luck in life?
I have this one, like, teddy bear. It's like a frog. It's a comfort animal, you know? After a bad day, it's like, I know that it'll get better.
Notebooks. When I'm writing something or whatever, I write raps and I write poems and I do all that stuff. And I let people, I feel like it's when I can express myself and write down what I'm feeling and what I want to say.
My mom.
For me, it's my Nike running socks. They really help me go fast. So.
I don't believe in luck. I believe in my own ability.
My good luck charm is just 2 fingers. It brings luck to me because peace and love and respect.
Oh, my Yankees hat.
I'm above dirt today.
These chains, my sister bought it for me. I always keep them on me just so I can have a good day.
My lucky sweatshirt.
This tuner.
My necklace.
Coaching-wise, when we would be on a win streak, I would continue to wear the same exact coaching gear for every match or game that we played in. Sometimes the jersey got washed, sometimes it didn't.
So when I golf a lot, I have this peso coin that my grandma gave me from Mexico, and I don't see her very often, so it reminds me of her. And I also like to think that it brings me good luck when I mark the ball with putts and stuff.
When I run track, I wear a certain necklace every single time, and it's something I was gifted from one of my friend's moms, and it gives me good luck when I compete.
Probably my guitar. I haven't been playing guitar for a long time. I just started really recently, and I've been getting really good at it really fast, so I feel like there's a lot of luck in that.
My rings, I usually always wear them, and it's like I always have a good day if I wear them.
It's probably my necklace because I always wear it and it just like represents my values.
My necklace that my grandma got me.
My Italian sweatshirt. I actually wear it every day.
I don't have one. I try to avoid them because I don't want the pressure of forgetting it and then thinking the day's going to go bad otherwise.
I go with this hat because I wear it a lot and I'm look good, feel good type of vibe.
My phone because it reminds me I'm alive.
Hey, we got a word of the day. Word of the day is
Kerfuffle!
which means
I don't know.